Hello everyone. Good morning.
Hello everyone. Good morning.
Hope you hear my voice. நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதுங்களா? கேட்டுச்சுன்னா ஏதாவது ஒரு சாட்ல மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்களேன். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ இந்துராஜ். இன்றைய செஷனை தொடங்குவோம் ஒரு சின்ன ப்ரேயரோட. ஓம் ஓம் ஓம். ஓகே, நம்ம இன்னைக்கு 14th மேல இருக்கோம். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அப்கமிங் வீக், அதாவது இந்த வெனஸ்டேலேருந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் டியூஸ்டே வரைக்கும் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு ட்ரெண்டை வந்து செக் பண்ணிடலாம். சன் ட்ரெண்டோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸில் இருக்கும். எனிவே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் செகண்ட் ஆஃப் இந்த சன் ட்ரெண்டில் வந்து சேம் தான். கேது 8 அண்ட் யுரேனஸ் 12 அப்படின்ற கிரக மற்றும் வீடு அமைப்பு காமிக்குது. லெட்ஸ் டாக் இன் இங்கிலீஷ். So we first start with this week prediction. Take a look at this week prediction. Today is 14th May. And we are in the sun trend of showing down, which is until to 17th May. Then after 18th May also is down. Sun in the sun star. Always sun in the sun star and sun in the moon star. Always we expect some volatility in the market on the both side, up and down. And we are in the Jupiter trend of X is going to complete today, and today the Y trend is starting. And Jupiter trend started at April 10th and until to May 14th today, yesterday, 13th May yesterday, the X is taking care, which we already predicted as a Mars in the second house, and we have expected angle down. And today it changed to 14th May, it changed to Venus 3, Saturn 3, Rahu 3, Mercury 3, so many conjunctions. We have expected up in the market. This is what Jupiter and Sun showing down. And we are in the moon trend today. Sun is in the Saturn star and at around 11:37 it changed to Mercury star, and Mercury appearing as a Mars star. So Mars is showing the 5th place. What I am expecting is after 11:37 there should be an impact in the market. Market may go down. If there is no impact of this Mercury change, then we consider the market is flat, or angle to the angle, which is morning. We have to watch the morning trend, and afternoon trend we have to go against the morning mirror like that. And tomorrow expecting downtrend, and in the afternoon there is a planet change, nakshatra lord change, so expecting a flat, or after 1:57 it may go up. There is a possibility. And Friday morning is a mirror to the Friday of second half, which is down, so we are expecting up in the morning. Up, this is expectation. Saturday, Sunday, moon cross over the Venus nakshatra and then the sun nakshatra. On the 19th, it comes to again moon star. Moon in the first house, so expecting Monday up, and Tuesday also started with the Mars star and Jupiter. Jupiter as X1. But X1 also moves from 9th house to 10th house, so this has to watch clearly. And Tuesday afternoon also we are expecting it. So mostly it's a mixed market, but the sun trend suggests us to look for the downtrend. Okay, and also the Jupiter trend suggested that look for uptrend. This is for upcoming days, so we have to be prepared for with the predictions. And with the infusion of Arudam, we can enter into the market. This is what upcoming week and upcoming days predictions. Now we move to backtest the predictions. So first we come to the Jupiter trend. Jupiter trend started April 10th, and the first half, which is X, is until to 13th May yesterday. And we have predicted with the Mars second house, we have predicted with angle down. Why we predicted with the angle down? Because of second half, Venus 3, Saturn 3, Rahu 3, Mercury 3, it shows all the third house is uptrend. So predicted with the mirror is that down. So what happened exactly? We take a look at. This is the future chart. There's a future chart. I changed to day timing frame. So where we are 10th April. 10th April 10th. So April 10, I draw a box here. April 8, 9, 10. Okay, we take from the 9. 9 to yesterday is actually market traveling all over in this box actually. It's quite interesting. What we expect is that the second half is down. Second half is up. What we are expecting from here, market is going up. Uptrend. So mirror to this should be a downtrend. So what we are expecting down from here, from the day it's down. So it is something like as per the prediction, it may go down. And after some day on the 14th, may go up. This is what we predicted. So this is what we expected. Something like that. But what happened is dead opposite. Market went up. How many points? roughly around 2,200 points, 10%. So there is a trend is completely opposite to our prediction through the Jupiter trend. So this is what happened reality. So as per our methodology, if someone enter to capture the Jupiter trend, they should enter into the double the time of ATR, which is ATR and the day is the range. ATR is the range, is 330 point in the range. So we are aiming for to capture the 650 points or 660 point, and we are ready to take the stop loss of 350 points, roughly 700, 300 we choose like that. So definitely there is a possibility of losing 350 points if you enter into the Jupiter trend blindly in the index. Okay, but we find is there is any factors that showing to us that market is going up or not. We can take a look at here. I have mentioned here is a Parivardhana. There is a thumb rule Swamiji teaches for it. So let's take a look at the Sridiji software on the April 10th. Okay. Okay, now this chart is showing April 10th morning chart, Mumbai. I will get back to you. So Jupiter is showing in the Mars star, Jupiter in the Mars star, and Mars is in the Jupiter star. So you take a look, Jupiter is in the Mars star and Mars in the Jupiter star. So this is normally called Parivardhana Yoga. Oh, in the thumb rule, we also have considered the Parivardhana. So what we learned today is that if there is any combinations comes, Jupiter in the Mars star or Mars in the Jupiter star like that, Parivardhana, similar kind of Parivardhana, we have to be very careful. And in addition to the astrological prediction, the price action, we need some confirmation. Like kind of any kind of confirmation, the price action saying that due to the Parivardhana, I have to wait for some confirmation like this gap up and this candle. We can say that market will not go down. Market, there is a possibility of going up only. So what we learned today is that what we lose is 370 point, or maybe if anyone trading according to the Jupiter trend, I don't see anyone trading into that. But anyway, what we learn is that we have to look at the Parivardhana Yoga also. We have to include in that. Okay. This is backtest for the Jupiter. Why we are doing backtest? Because from today onwards, this trend is changing. So as per the second half, every planet is showing the uptrend. So we are expecting some uptrend from here until to when? Until to 13th June. 13th June is the next Jupiter star changing. Jupiter change from Mars to the Rahu. That we will discuss later. So now I am looking for uptrend. In addition to the uptrend, because Parivardhana, there is uptrend. So until to the June, market is going slowly upwards. This is what expected. Then backtest for the last week, sun trend started on 27th. We are expecting market going up Venus 11 in the first half, and then the second half, maybe we can go to flat up and down angle houses, flat up and angle. So that Wednesday, Thursday, Friday until to the 8th May, we are expecting flat up and angle. But 789, what happened to the 789? So this is the 7th. I go to the 15-minute time frame. Actually, 789 market goes down. 789 market goes down, and yesterday and day before yesterday, market up. So what we expected until to the 10th May, 5 to 10 May is the angle down market. So opposite to the Venus 11. So 27 to 4th. Market is from 27 to 4th is market is up. Then after this, okay, this is what we are expecting from the sun trend. What happened up? Then there should be a angle house from there. So down. So what we predicted is the downtrend works well on the last 3 days. But anyway, last Sunday, the sun trend changed to sun. Sun in sun star, always we have to take care. There is a huge volatility in the sun in sun star and sun in moon star. You try to watch it, what will happen. This Sunday, it shows a downtrend. But what happened, we know very well. Monday, it went up to 900 something point, and then yesterday also very good movement on the downsides, and too much volatility. Definitely, if anyone aim to catch this downtrend, definitely have a huge loss. Okay, unless you have a risk management, can cover it. So this sun trend also not absolutely working. The previous sun trend works good, but this sun trend not supportive as of now. Let's take a look at until to the 24th May, because this sun trend is long last from 11th to the 24th. The same lot of Ketu 8 and Uranus 12. Let's take a look on the next week. We maybe discuss about this. Then for the moon trend, as usual, we do a small back test. What happened from the last Wednesday? Last Wednesday is I am looking down in the morning. Then afternoon, there is Saturn in the 6th house and Mars in the 2nd house. So there is a confusion. Saturn is the 6th house, Mars in the 2nd house. Mean after 12:30, market should go up to the 12 o'clock or 2 o'clock or 2:30. And after 2:30, it has to be opposite to the Mars too. So we enter 9:30 until to 12:30 here downtrend. And afternoon 12:30 to 2:30, we have to wait whether it is market going up or not because of Saturn 6 combination. Saturn is a bearish planet, and 6 is the up house. So let's take a look at these 2 o'clock until after 2, maybe 2:30, we may try to enter at Mars 2, opposite to the 12:30 to 2:30. Let's take a look at here. This is when last Wednesday is the 7th May. Let's take a look at the 7th May chart. 7th May is huge. Looking for downtrend, huge up. This is the future. We test with the future as we do not have sometime the option data available. So we try. Hello, be you able to join now? Small interruption. I don't know why. The system suddenly down.
join now. Small interruption. I don't know why. Systems.
Okay, we'll start again. What we discussed is that on the 7th, I'm looking for downtrend. What will happen and what I am getting from here. So here we are taking ATR as a reference for the range to find the range in order to fix my target and then the stop loss. Target should be double the time of ATR and stop loss should be single time of the ATR. So on the 7th, 9:30 candle, we have a ATR in the range of 41 points. Okay. So ATR in the range of 41 points. You can see here ATR in the range of 44 to 40 points, something like that. So we can take 40 point as a reference. So if I enter at 9:30 in looking for a downtrend, then I enter at 24,503. Then market went up until to 34 point, which not my hit my stop loss, and then it went down to 123 points at around 10:15. So it hit my target. I earn almost 80 point on the day, Monday. Okay. So I put 80 points here. 80 points. Then on the 7th afternoon, I have to wait until to 2:30. Then 2:30, then angle. So 12:30 to 2:30. Here 12:30 and to 2:30 around it go flat. So because it went flat, I have to look for a flat also on the mirror. So avoid this session. Then come to the next day, which is Thursday. Okay, I will get back to you. The next day is the Thursday. Thursday, our expectation is flat up, and there is a spike due to the Uranus, and the second half is flat. So both session, no opportunity much. So take a look at the Kedu 1. On the 8th, 9:30 candle, we have ATR of again 40 point. So I enter looking the market up. It went up to 23 point, not hit my stop loss. Around 12:30 close, 12:30 opening is actually 12:30 opening is 11.8 points. So I am having opportunity to earn 11 points in the first half. So I have entered 11 points over here. Second half is flat, so we avoid and come to the Monday. This is a very let's take a look at this day. Friday, both moon day up. So you know very well that on the 8th, it's flat in the morning and afternoon down. Flat mean is a huge flat. So let's take a look at 9:30 candle. 9:30 is around 40 rupees again. So I entered at 9:30. It went up to, oh, sorry. I'm looking at something wrong. On the 8th, second half experience. Okay, I repeat again the Thursday. We will reevaluate the 8th because I interpreted the graph wrongly. So this is on the 8th. The morning we expected the flat up, and afternoon we expect the flat. So afternoon there is no trade, and in the morning I am looking for up. So what happened here? 9:30 enter. It goes down 22 point. Yeah, we enter correct. Only on the moon day. I'm sorry, this is correct, validated. So we come to the Friday. Friday we are expecting up. Morning 9:30 open is this. and we went up to down to against our trend to 148 point. So stop loss hit in the morning. What is the stop loss? 60 points ATR. So stop loss also 60 point. So 12:30 in the afternoon, again I entered this candle, it go down to 82 points. So 2 times 60 points affected. So equal to minus 60, minus 60, minus 60. It come to minus 120 point. I lost take 120 point. So Wednesday is actually 80 point profit. Thursday 11 point profit. Friday 120 point loss. So what happened Monday? Monday very clear. Our side we have put downtrend Rahu 8 in the down house. Then Rahu is a bearish star, bullish star. So we are expecting down flat, and the second half should be opposite to the first half. So come to down flat. It went up, opening went up. Then at the time of 9:30, the market value comes ATR comes around 92 points. Okay, so 90 points. We take 90 point. We're looking for up market. So I enter at 9:30, opening here. Looking for 180 points and 90 points as a stop loss. There is no stop loss, and until to 12:30 it went up to 12:30 opening is this. 12:30 opening is this 131 point. But I am aiming for 180, but I somehow reached under 30 point. So here 130 point profit. And then second half is actually angle mirror to the first half. So first half is went up until to here. So I am looking for down. So 12:30, what I am going to do 12:30 looking for down, and then the ATR is 70 points. So 70 points stop loss and 140 point profit. 12:30 enter, it directly hit my stop loss. So I lose 70 points. So that day plus 130 minus 70 point, I received 60 points. What happened yesterday, Tuesday? 1 week completed, 5 days. So yesterday, Saturn 8, Neptune 8, Venus 8, and afternoon also Neptune 8, Venus 8, everything shows down house. So morning also I am looking for down, afternoon also I am looking for down. What happened yesterday? 9:30 ATR is actually 73 points. We round up to 70 point. So target is 140 point and stop loss is 70 point. So 9:30 I enter. Same 9:30 candle went up to 76 points. 9:30 candle itself go and hit the stop loss of 76 point. Okay, so we took 70 point as a stop loss. And what happened to the 12:30? 12:30 is this. 12:30 entry is this, and 12:30 ATR is around 80 points. So we have to look for 80 point stop loss and 160 point profit. So 12:30 we enter. So we end up with 160 point profit at around 250. So morning 70 loss and afternoon equal to morning is 70 point loss minus 70 plus 160. So this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday. So in addition, total is that okay. Total end up with 121 points. So I have an opportunity to earn. Only blindly follow the prediction. Only blindly follow the prediction. I can able to take 121 points using the moon trend. Down sun trend I taking as a supportive element only. Here I supporting element only. So how does it a supporting element? If it is a down day on the moon trend, then sun also down day down showing. So the downtrend will work higher. Okay, this is regardless of any news or whatever. So I have an opportunity to earn 121 point, which is less anyway. 121 point, and how many trades? One trade here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 trade equal to 121 into 75, which I can able to earn 9,075 minus 8 trade. Every trade I lose 500 for a commission. 8 trade is 4,000 rupees. So finally I end up with minus 4,000 is actually end up with, I can able to earn 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees is actually 1.5% of my initial capital, 3 lakh. 3 lakh is required in order to trade the future in the Nifty market. So 1 week, 1.5, good enough. And this is what backtest completed for the moon trend last 1 week. Now we are going to take a look, some interpretation of price action, how to avoid these days where we have making losses, actually 120 points, especially on the moon day, Friday, I made loss. Anyway, we are, in this backtest, we have not included the RUDM. If when a person asks RUDM for entry or exit, he can definitely save from this day. But anyway, that RUDM we cannot show in the backtest. So that's why I'm taking a price action, how to avoid these days. Okay, there are few conditions. What I am following, just I explained to you. You take input from me, and also you enhance that input, infuse with your own experience. Okay, what I am doing is that the Friday is actually on the 9th March. 9th March is moon day. So I am in this 9th March morning. Look at this, my worksheet. It was suggesting that Friday morning is a moon day, but moon change at Thursday 9:06 p.m. Thursday evening 9 o'clock, moon change to Nakshatra lot change to moon. That will reflect on our market on the Friday. So we have Gift Nifty to follow also, right? So I go to Gift Nifty. This is a method that Friday morning, what I am doing a homework is this. So this is Gift Nifty. What Gift Nifty says on the 8th. Okay. Gift Nifty works until 2. This is Gift Nifty. This is 8th. 9th. This is Friday. This is Friday. So Friday morning, before the first candle start, I take a look at the 8th. Because why? It is showing in my data sheet saying that the moon is a Nakshatra Lord of Friday, but the moon change, the Nakshatra Lord, moon's Nakshatra Lord change to moon on Thursday evening 9 o'clock. So I am in the 9th May. I'm in the 9th May. This is the 9th May graph. So before the first candle start, maybe at the 8:30 a.m. in the morning, I look at 9:30 of the previous day, which is, wait a minute. So this is the 9th starting, 6 o'clock. Gift Nifty start at 6 o'clock. So now on the 8th night time, 9 o'clock. So this is over here. So market, once the moon star change, market is going down and become flat, not going up. I will do a box here. Okay. Okay, until to 9 o'clock. The box is showing that Mars, moon change as a nakshatra lord of moon, down and flat. There is no impact of moon star here. This is what I observed in the morning. And go to the US market, SPX. US market, we have to always look at the US market also. We go to and May 8. May 8 market. What is in the May 8 market? New York. Okay. So New York City time, their market start at 9:30. So I go to 9:30 a.m. show here. So 9:30 a.m. moon is in the Kanni Rasi of Sun star. Okay, 9:30 a.m. moon's nakshatra lord is Sun. So 10:30, 11:30 moon nakshatra lord to moon star. So around US market, their market time 9:30 start and work until to 4 o'clock. So 9:30 start is with the sun star as a nakshatra lord, and 11:30 start moon star as a nakshatra lord. So I take a look at the SPX. This is SPX. I'm going to 8 May. So on the 8th May, 11:30, 9:30 to 11:30, we have to take 4 plus 4, 8 candle, roughly around 8 candle. 1, 2, sorry, on the 8th is here. 8 May. This is the first candle of SPX. 8 May, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candle we take up. Okay. Sorry, this is the 8th. This is the 8th, first candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candle. After the 8th candle, the moon impact will come. So 8th candle, the moon start from here, and end of the market is here. This is the box that moon went up. How many point market went up? 1% is went up, but end up with the flat. So from these two, GIFT Nifty and the SPX, Friday morning, our Nifty market moon trend is start. But before the evening, before the night, Thursday night, SPX and GIFT Nifty says, due to the moon, there is no much impact in the market. There is a uptrend, but end up with a flat. So meaning the moon's day involvement is very less. So I have to be prepared myself in order to take up this. Okay, this is exercise 1. So before 9:30, I take a look at this. My confidence with the moon is reduced. And go to the particular day, 9th. Particular day 9th, 9:30 candle, I am looking for uptrend. Moon day, I am trying to catch the huge point on it. So 9:30, before 9:30 candle, it says that ATR is around 60 points. So my target is 120, loss to take 60 points. Okay. So first candle is down. I am looking for gap up because of moon day, but it won't work. Okay, I accepted that there is a negative impact showing over here. So at the time of 9:30, what I am doing is I go jump into 3 minutes candle. Why? 3-minute candle show more price actions. But I am not following 3-minute candle, but I use the 3-minute candle to screw down. What is going to happen? Okay, this is 3-minute candle until to 9:30. This is 9:27. Okay, 9:27 until to 9:27 is this. So I zoom it. Zoom until to here. Okay, in the 3-minute candle and then the 1-minute candle. What 1-minute candle? 1-minute candle gives some good input. So before 9:30, 9:27, I am checking this on the 1-minute candle. Market down on the first minute only, it goes bottom and immediately take recovery, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 candle, it moves flat. So it is showing that down and flat. There is no confidence of market is going up suddenly. If this is go up to the yesterday close and come down also. So if it is breaks the yesterday close, maybe I have a confidence of going up. So I come to 3-minute. In the 3-minute time frame, it clearly says that market for the last 5 candle are stay flat. So what I am doing on this kind of days, the previous night Gift Nifty and the previous night SPX are not supportive to the moon. So I am not going to jump to the moon day straight forward at 9:30. So what I am going to do in the 15-minute time frame, I take a look. In the 15-minute time frame, the first candle is something like that of range 231 points. It's a huge range. So something is going to be happen here. The concept that I am bringing here is that the initial breakout. Initial breakout, meaning initial breakout is that initial mean is the first candle of my trading time frame, 15-minute time frame. So initial breakout mean I am believing that the market will run if it crosses above the first candle or below the first candle. Either if crosses above the first candle, it moves a lot. Below the first candle, moves a lot. Or if it is within the candle, I am not going to trade. Why? Because it's not supportive. Yesterday SPX and yesterday Gift Nifty is not supportive. It's not shown the moon day trend. So that is the first intake. Second intake, moon day, I am expecting gap up or at least flat opening, go up, but 230 point down. So it is working against my prediction. So I have to be very clear that it may not working. Today moon day may not working. So I come into conclusion that today I am looking for uptrend of 140 point target. In addition to that, if it breaks the first initial candle breakout, first candle breakout. So if it is crosses 24,212, then I enter. Then I go to the same concept of 70 point stop loss and 140 point target. This is another kind we can interpret also. So if this is my methodology, people have their own methodology through the price action, but this price action, you no need too much thinking or too much workout. Just 8:30 in front of the computer, you can see the previous day what happened to the Graha, but don't take this for all the day. Only take for few sure short day. Sure short day is like a moon day and bullish planet with the uptrend, bearish planet with the downtrend. These kind of days are sure short days. So these kind of day you can use this methodology of initial breakout plus the market, US market and Gift Nifty's reflections. Okay, providing that the Graha change happened in the SPX and Gift Nifty also. If let's say example, there is no Graha change in the SPX and GIFT Nifty, then not necessary to bring over to here on the next day. So this initial breakout may help you to cover from this loss. This is another alternative for asking Arudam, but Arudam is definitely precise to this kind of approach. Okay, if let's say happen, these kind of thing happen, what will happen? These 120 point loss will vanish. Then you can end up with 240 points, 41 points. Okay, 241 points. End up with 18,000 profit and 4,000 go away with the brokerage and the commissions, and we can end up with the 14,000. This is imaginary only. This is imaginary case only. Okay, this is the reality. 5,755 profit is a reality. But if we improve, enhance our method with the Arudam or some price action, simple price action, take here less than 1 minute only. What happened to the yesterday and initial breakout, that will bring you, save you from the huge losses. So this is what today I would like to share with you on the price action. Then let's go to the Q&A. A few questions from Aditya. I'm watching these shares recently: KPR Mill, Data Pattern, KF Infra, and BSE, Hindustan Aeronautics, GRSC, IRFC. Please guide how this share works at the end of session. Okay, Aditya, maybe I will do some workout. I will send it to you on the announcement group. Our view of these stocks. Okay, give me some time. Sendil Kumar, Sun entered Rishabh Rashi. Which stock concentrates, sir? Okay. We are working with the Nakshatra Lord, Sendil Kumar, not on the Rashi Lord. Rashi Lord give you some overall idea only. But Rashi Lord, anyway, Sun entered to the Rashi Lord. You take a look at here. Rishabh Rashi. Rishabh Rashi is actually Mars related stocks, Mars sign. So you maybe look into the Mars sign. But in our KP system trading, we definitely not encourage to trade using the sign lot. But you can take an overall look. But you look at the Nakshatra lot. So Sun enter into the Sun star. Now he is going in Sun star. Then next to Sun entering to the Moon star. These two Sun stocks, Sun related stocks and Moon related stocks works very well. You can filter from there and ask Arudam, then enter into that. But take a look. Sun in the Sun star, Sun in the Moon star. Sun star and the Moon star, two are huge volatile. You can watch the previous backtest also. You take a look. Market will behave very volatile. The reason we'll explain later. We still in the learning phase only. We are taking some input from Swamiji. Once the input taken and infused with our backtest, then we will get back to you. So you have to look at the Sun star and Moon star only at now. Rishabh Rashi, you keep it aside. But for overall preference, you take. Then someone asked me through the WhatsApp. On the 12th May 2025, why was Mars? But in second half, market was up. Okay, on the 12th May. On the 12th May. Okay. Why was Mars 9? Market was up. I'm not understanding the reason behind this. Okay, we take a look at this 12th May, sir. 12th May, our prediction is that the Rahu 8 is a planet that going to Rahu. Rahu is a planet that going to control the market, and 8th house is going to control. So Rahu is a bullish planet, and 8th house is a downtrend house. So we are expecting a downtrend, but the planet is not now supporting to the downtrend. Maybe we end up with slide down or flat. What happened on the day? We take a look on the 12th May. 12th May morning, after this Saturday, Sunday movement, what happened Friday? Let's take a look at the Friday. This is a Friday. Friday, we are expecting up, but market flat. We just now we discussed market flat. and then the moon cross over the Mars 10th house, Rahu 5th house, and then the sun trend change also. So there is so many pressure over here. So after the pressure on the Rahu 8th, we are expecting downtrend, but market went up. So as I mentioned, we take this as an initial candle, as a reference candle, initial breakout. There is no initial breakout on the downside, on upside only. So our view completely change. Meaning that market is not going according to our prediction. Then the second half, okay, March 9, right? So the first half is something like that, 12:30. So March 9 is the mirror house, so it should be like that. But it won't happen. March 9 not working. Because of so other planetarical influences, it won't work. But what we have trading like a art, and then the risk management and the psychological control is in our hand. So what actually we get is 60-point profit. On the 12th May. Down, become flat. And then the angle. Oh, something wrong. On the 12th May, I made a mistake. Wait a minute. Angle is on a downtrend. Oh no. 9:30. If I take 92 points. So from here, 92 point stop loss hit. Then second is looking down, and again 12:30, 70 points stop loss hit. So it should be here, not 60 point. 90 point minus 90 minus 70. Okay. We end up with a loss. I'm sorry. 4,000 loss. Okay. I do mistakes on the 12th May calculations. Down flat, and then the angle. Yeah, correct. This Monday, definitely a nightmare day. So we lost 160 point. Market moved 910 point, but we lost with the 160 point. So we end up with the last week, end up with the loss of 11,000, which is actually 3% of 4%, nearly the 4% of the capital. 4,000 loss. Not 4,000. Yeah, rounded correct. 100 point loss. So this Monday bring us to the huge losses. I'm sorry, I calculated wrong. But what I suggest on the price action, we are facing the first market because there is no gift nifty. There is a gift nifty. What happened to the gift nifty? So if I am in the, imagine that if I am in the Monday morning 9 o'clock in the market, I take a look at the gift nifty. What happened to Monday morning 9 o'clock? Monday is on the 12th, right? Yeah, Monday on the 12th. We are here. And in the 9 o'clock, I am seeing the gift nifty went up before 9:30. Before 9 o'clock. Before 9 o'clock, it went up to this much, 2%, 2.21%. Actually, is 1,066 points up. So if I use this concept of just I shared with you, my view is down flat, and second half is angle. So I have to wait. The first candle, I see the gift nifty is too much going up. 1,060 points is unusual day. Better we avoid the unusual day. Even we try the opportunity, we should take a look at the 9:15 candle, wait until to the 9:15. You can take a look at the 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute also if there is a range forming. But this one, no need to go back to the 3 minute, 5 minute candle. Definitely, this is a something wrong day. Our prediction is not working. So we have to come into conclusion that the initial breakout, which is this first candle, if the market break low of the first candle, then I enter. Until I stay away only. So if you take a decision like this in a psychological control and then the risk management, this is also another kind of risk management, then you can save 160 point loss over here. Let's come to 12:30. 12:30 is this big green candle. So 12:30, what says the angle house? 12:30 second half is the Mars 9. So angle house. So until to 12:30, this is 12:30 closing, and until to this candle. From here to 12:30 closing, market stays flat. So market stay in this region. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 candle market stays in the range of 75 points. In the range of 75 points. 90 points. In the range of 95 points. So 12:30, I am expecting down. But market is too traveled almost almost 727 point. So I am scared to take this position down. So what I am taking a decision here through the price action, I take a look at the market range. At the first candle is the initial breakout. This is a range breakout. So if market break the range below, then I look for downtrend. Because why is the Mars 9 is the mirror house? I am expecting the market is down to 12:30 up. Then as per the prediction should be like that. Mirror. So I enter into this mirror Mars 9 if the market break this range, unless I stay away. If you two take these stands in addition to our prediction. So first half is actually not working. We are not going to find the reason why not working, but we have a risk management in hand. Initial breakout not works, so I won't enter. And in the second half, the range breakout won't work, I will not enter. You can take this in order to cover these losses. But anyway, I do a mistake over here. Sorry for that. Okay. Then come to today trend. Okay. Aditya asks, for a working professional and having margin 30K, can you suggest a strategy for option trading? Aditya definitely can do trading in the options, but it is very, very risky instrument. So before enter into the option, you have to learn how option works. Here we are doing a back test for the future only. Options, and I give you two idea. Future is an instrument, apparent instrument. Option is derived from the future. So here we take a look at if I enter 9:30 in the morning, let's say example, okay, 9 o'clock in the morning, just for 9:30. Okay, let me take 9:30 in the morning. Then maximum I can able to earn 64 points, right? So what if happen in the options? So when I decided to enter, let's example today is a update. Example, imagine enter into 9:30. 9:30's range is actually 24,770. So I get 24. I go to 22nd March, 24,800 C and 24,800 T. So what I am doing, I repeat, I wait until to the first 15-minute close. So near to 15 minute 9:27, I found that market is in the range of 24,750. So I add these two instruments, 24,800 CE and 24,800 PE. So this is my panel. So I have future and one CE, one PE. So imagine that today is a uptrend day. So I supposed to enter 9:30 over here. So if I enter into the future, I am able to earn 64 points, which is 3 lakhs capital. But look at here in the option C, right? C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth cable is the fifth candle is the highest candle. You take a look at here. 9:30 I enter. This is a 9:30 candle open, and this is 10:15. What happened to the 10:15? 10:15 close. What I earn is nothing. 9:30 enter. 10:15 close. What I earn is nothing. Is a flat. So in the future, I can able to earn 64 point. 9:30 entry. 10:15 high is 64 point. Here 9:30 entry. 10:15 high. 10:15 high. 13 point. So what I am trying to say, future of potential to earn 64 point, option of potential to earn 13 point if it is goes our way. Let's say example, this is for the long. This is for the long. What happen if I go short? So in the future, I lose 64 points. But in the option PE, so I am looking downwards, right? I short here at 9:30, so I lose 64 point. Same in the PE, 24,800 PE. I buy at 9:30. 9:30 opening is this. At 10:15 low. 10:15 low is 60 point. So I able to lose 59 points. Okay, able to lose 59 points. 59 point. Okay. This is the summary. What is the investment here? Under 60 points, around 200 point on the CE, 200 point, like example, take 200 point. Or capital requirement. Capital for future. 3L. An option. Option you need 200 into 75. 200 into 75 is almost 100 into 75 is 75,000. 15. You need 15,000 investment only. Option you need 15K investment. Okay, this is a summary I am putting here. So take a look at the auditor's point of view. Okay, you invest 3 lakh rupees, and your loss, if it is go as per your direction, you can earn 64 point. But in the option, only able to earn 13 points. So this is 64 points is equivalent to 4,800 rupees. profit. 13 points is equivalent to 975 rupees. And loss, similar loss, 4,800 loss, and here 59. 4,425 loss. So take a look at here. If everything goes according to my direction, I am able to earn 4,800, and here I can able to earn 975 only. This is option. We have to be very careful. There is a decay involvement. So for the 30,000 capital, you able to earn 30,000 is 300 is 300 is 1%. So you can able to earn 3% of your capital. And for the 3 lakh, 3,000 is capital. I can able to earn 1.5% only. Okay. So here I can potential of able to earn 3% like here 1.5% like. Okay. But here take a look. I lost again 1.5%. But take a look at here. How many percentage? 4425 divided by 300. I lose 14.5%. Against my capital. So let's think about these workouts. Same scenario. If market go up according to my direction, I can able to earn 3%. Against my direction, I lose 14% of my capital. So it is your choice. Now you wisely choose the future or option. You can take option, no problem. But if option, you have to wait some other time. So that's why in the Sri District class, Swamiji suggests to wait until to 9:50. Why give 9:50? There is a decay happening. So you have to wait until to 10 o'clock. Maybe you have to take decision to enter into the market after 10 o'clock only. So you have to enter after 10 o'clock only. You take a look at this screenshot. Maybe you can work out later on. If you have any doubt, you can call me. There is a potential dangerous of your capital wipe out as soon as possible in the 30,000. Work with the option without knowing how options structurally work. Okay. Then we move to the next. Sendil Kumar sir, today trend repeat. Okay, I will repeat sir. Today is actually today morning 9:15 a.m. Moon is in the Saturn star. Saturn appearing as a nakshatra of Saturn. So let's take a look at Saturn. You ignore. Then we have Neptune 9 and then the Venus 9. The second half should be same because of Saturn is in the Saturn star. So second half should be Saturn 9. I repeat in Tamil. இன்னைக்கு வந்து சனி நட்சத்திர நாள்ல வந்து மூன் இருக்காரு. ஸோ சனியோட நட்சத்திரத்துல நெப்டியூன் வீனஸ் இருக்காங்க 9வது ஹவுஸ்ல. சேம் அதே தான். சனி வந்து சனியோட நட்சத்திரத்துல இருக்கிறதுனால சனி நெப்டியூன் வீனஸ் அப்படின்றது தான் இருக்கு. ஸோ நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிட்டா லிட்டரலி நெப்டியூன் 9th ஹவுஸ்க்கும் நெப்டியூன் வீனஸ் 9th ஹவுஸ்க்கும் காலையிலையும் மாலையிலையும் பார்க்கணும். அது வந்து மிரர் ஹவுஸ், ஆங்கிள் ஹவுஸ்னு சொல்றோம். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ மோஸ்ட்லி இந்த மாதிரி ஹவுசஸ் என்னன்னா ஒன்லி வாலட்டைலா இருக்கும். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா ஃபிளாட் ஆகி முடிஞ்சிடும். மேபி காலையில அப்பா இருந்துச்சுன்னா மத்தியானம் டவுன் ஆயிடும். காலையில டவுன் ஆனிச்சுன்னா மத்தியானம் அப்பா ஆகி நின்று முடிஞ்சிடும். ஆங்கிள் வரனால நம்ம எந்த டைரக்ஷன் போறதுன்றது நமக்கும் தெரியாது. ஒரு அன்சர்டைனான டே தான். பட் அதே நேரத்தில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 11:37க்கு சந்திரன் வந்து மெர்க்குரி ஸ்டாருக்கு மாறுறாரு. ஸோ மெர்க்குரி 5வது இடத்துல இருக்காரு. தென் வந்து மெர்க்குரி வந்து மார்ஸோட நட்சத்திரமாகவும் இருக்காரு. ஸோ மார்ஸோட நட்சத்திரம் 4வது வீட்டில் இருக்கு. ஆனால் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொஞ்ச நேரத்தில் மூன் மூவ்மெண்ட் இருக்கிறனால மூவ் ஆகி போயிட்டே இருக்குன்னா 4வது வீட்டிலேருந்து 5வது வீட்டுக்கு போயிடுறாரு. ஸோ 11:37க்கு மேல டவுன்னு நான் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்றேன். ஸோ இதை நான் 11:37 இருக்கிறத எக்ஸ்ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டேன்னா அந்த நேரத்தில் எனக்கு மதியானம் கேது 10 வந்து அப் ஆகும்னு நான் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்றேன். ஸோ நான் ஏதாவது ஒரு ட்ரெயினில் தான் ட்ராவல் பண்ண முடியும். மேலே இருக்கிற இந்த சேட்டன், நெப்டியூன், வீனஸ்ன்றதுல இல்லை இதில். ஸோ இப்போ 2 ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு. நான் பார்க்கணும். இப்போ லெட்ஸ் டேக் எ லுக் அட் 11:37 ஆயிடுச்சு இல்லைங்களா? இங்கே பார்ப்போம் மார்க்கெட் என்ன நடந்திருக்குன்னு. ஸோ கொஞ்சம் 5 மினிட் டைம் பிரேக் போயிடுவோம். கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் பார்க்கறதுக்கு. ஓகே 11:37 11:30 35 இந்த இடத்துலேருந்து ஆக்சுவலி 11:25லேருந்து இது டவுன் ட்ரெண்டுக்கு ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கு. பட் இந்த டவுன் ட்ரெண்ட் எப்போ கன்ஃபார்ம் ஆகும்னா இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு ரேஞ்சா கேண்டில்ஸ் வந்து ஃபார்ம் ஆயிருக்கு பார்த்தீங்களா? ஒன்று இந்த ரேஞ்சு, அப்படி இல்லைன்னா இந்த ரேஞ்ச். அட்லீஸ்ட் இந்த ரேஞ்சை பிரேக் அவுட் ஆனப்புறம் டவுன் ட்ரெண்டுக்கு ஃபார்ம் ஆகிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. இப்போ இந்த பர்டிகுலர்லி இந்த கேண்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ரேஞ்சை பிரேக் அவுட் பண்ணி கீழே போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த மாற்றம், அதாவது மெர்க்குரி ஸ்டாருக்கு போன மாற்றம் வந்து ஒர்க் அவுட் ஆகுதுன்றதை நம்ம இதுலேருந்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். இதே 15 மினிட்ல எடுத்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இதான் இந்த பாக்ஸ் போட்டு வச்சிருக்கிறது தான் ரேஞ்ச். இந்த ரேஞ்சுக்கு கீழே இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் நீங்க வந்து போறதுக்கு கீழே போறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. அப்படியே கீழே போனுச்சுன்னா செகண்ட் ஆஃப் மேபி அரௌண்ட் 2 o'clock அந்த மாதிரியான ரேஞ்சில் கேது 10th ஹவுஸ்ல வந்து மேலே போறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. ஸோ இதுதான் இன்னையோட ட்ரெண்ட் வந்து. இது ஒரு குழப்பமான டே தான் வச்சுங்களேன். இந்த மாதிரி குழப்பமான டேல ஆர்வத்தோட துணையோடையோ இல்லைன்னா இந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது பிரைஸ் ஆக்ஷனோட துணையோடையோ. ஓகே குட். வேற எதுவும் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இல்லை? ஏதாவது இருந்துன்னா மெசேஜ் பண்ணுங்க, தென் வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்க, இல்லை யூடியூப்ல கமெண்ட்ஸாக கேளுங்க, பதில் சொல்றேன். தேங்க்யூ, தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் யுவர் டைம். ஒரு 3 ஓம் சொல்லிட்டு இதை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிடலாம். ஓம் ஓம் ஓம்